The Skoda Karoq is a compact SUV that is part of the Skoda Auto lineup. It was first introduced in 2017 as a successor to the Skoda Yeti. The Karoq shares its platform with the Volkswagen Group's MQB platform, which is also used by other vehicles such as the Volkswagen Tiguan and Seat Ateca. The Karoq is known for its spaciousness, practicality, and value for money. The Karoq features a modern and sleek design that is in line with Skoda's current design language. It has a bold front grille with Skoda's signature crystalline elements, distinctive LED headlights, and a muscular body shape. The overall design is characterized by clean lines and a contemporary appearance. Inside the Karoq, you'll find a well-designed and high-quality interior. The cabin offers a good amount of space for both passengers and cargo. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and the rear seats can be folded down to expand the cargo area. The Karoq also offers several storage compartments throughout the cabin, making it practical for everyday use. The Karoq is equipped with various technology and features to enhance comfort, convenience, and safety. Depending on the trim level and options chosen, it may include features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation system, dual-zone climate control, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. The available features may vary depending on the market and specific trim level. The Karoq offers a range of engine options, including both petrol and diesel engines, to cater to different preferences and markets. The exact engine options available may vary depending on the region. The power outputs range from around 115 horsepower to 190 horsepower, with both manual and automatic transmission options. The Karoq is generally praised for its smooth and comfortable ride quality, making it suitable for both city driving and longer journeys. Safety is a priority for Skoda, and the Karoq comes with various safety features to protect occupants. It is built on a sturdy platform, and includes features such as multiple airbags, stability control, traction control, ABS, anti-lock braking system, EBD, electronic brake force distribution, and more advanced safety technologies depending on the trim level. The Karoq is available in various trim levels, which may vary depending on the market. The trim levels typically include entry-level variants with essential features and higher-end variants with additional luxury and technology options. Additionally, Skoda offers various customization options, allowing buyers to personalize their Karoq with different exterior colors, interior trims, and optional extras. Overall, the Skoda Karoq is a well-rounded compact SUV that offers a comfortable and practical driving experience. With its spacious interior, modern design, and a range of features, the Karoq competes with other popular compact SUVs in its segment. It provides good value for money, and is a reliable choice for those seeking a versatile and capable vehicle.